They don't want the black man with the black woman. Now I want everybody to Google right now. I'll wait too. Google black male and black female. Tell me when you did that. Black male and black female. Tell me when you did that. Just raise your hands. Something. You black male and black female. Now I want you to hit images. What do you see? White men with black women. White men with black women. In the virtual world, the enemy has put in what is called algorithms. And it's based off of what he sees in the thinking of the people. So if he can get you on his platform, now you off the path because now you're able to be attacked on his platform. This is why he's so upset he cannot stop Farrakhan. Facebook did not make Farrakhan. God made Farrakhan in the womb to help the Honorable Elijah Muhammad for a time like this.